Hello everyone, good morning. Okay, so very good morning to all. Shall we start the class? Okay, so ଗୋଟେ motivation quote ରୁ ଆପଣ ମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ class start କରିବାକୁ ଚାହିଁବି. So guys, you won't always be motivated. ଯେତେ ବି try କର, you can't always be motivated. So you must learn to be disciplined. ଯଦି ମୋଟିଭେଟ୍ ହେଇପାରୁନ ନା all the time, then discipline ଗୋଟେ schedule ବନାଅ. ସେଇ schedule କୁ all the time, no matter it's a summer or it's a rainy season or it's a winter ରେ ଟିକେ ତମକୁ lazy down feel ହବ କି ମୁଁ ସକାଳୁ ଉଠି ପାରିବିନି, but ଏସବୁ କିଛି ବି ତାକୁ ପୁରା side out କରିଦବ. ଗୋଟେ disciplined schedule maintain କର so that you can achieve all the success whatever you want. Okay, so let's start the class. See, today's EVS session हमारा चली थिला. So previous class रे किछ technical glitch थिला, तो class अधारु बंद हे जाइथिला, तो सेइटु पुनी start करिवा. Okay, so tell me the first question answer. Which macronutrient is the main source of energy for the body? Guys, एक class परे किछ like comment रे आसुची कि this is a biology class or EVS class. Guys, मो जेमति अपन मानु कहिथिली 6th रो 12th रो NCERT हमें cover up करि करि जाउचे. तो स्टैंडर्ड अनुसार जो अनुसार हमर कोन रीच बॉडी बॉडी जीवो से अनुसार हम टिके टॉप क्लास रो कोन क्वेश्चन फेस करिवा. एबे टिके तो मॉडरेट लेवल लो इजी लेवल रो ही रहिबो. ओके, Chandrasekhar, good morning. Yeah, this is which macronutrient is the main source of energy for the body? This is what? Carbohydrates. This is carbohydrates, not key. Not key. Yes, Jai Jagannath. Yes, not vitamin. Okay, so let's see something. Like guys, carbohydrates are two types divide करा जाउची basically. जोटा कि starchy carbohydrates, like those carbohydrates contain starch, and those carbohydrates contain sugar. Below are the options. You can have a look. That bread hella, potatoes hella, rice hella, pulses hella, they belong to the starchy carbs. And fruit sugar hella जोटा कि कोउथरे ना fructose form रे मिलुची, sucrose form रे direct table sugar मिलुची, honey is the natural sugar, and the milky sugar is the lactose, biscuit and the unsweetened fruit juice. These are all under the sugar carbohydrates. Okay, yes. So next question answer there guys. Which food is a rich source of healthy fats? Tell me, which food is a rich source of healthy fats? The options are butter, avocado, sugar, or cabbage? Rich source of healthy fats. Okay. Tell me healthy कथा कही okay. So cabbage को तो or run out कर दिया fat रे से जीवनी. So sugar not healthy, butter is not healthy. So tell me rest जो option रही गला कौन चंद्रशेखर टिके ऑप्शन देखी के आंसर दियो आंसर को टिके थरोली पढ़ो नो ज्योति दिस इज एवोकाडो तो हेल्दी हमें कहा को नेबा ना एवोकाडो ओके सो लेट्स सी समथिंग गाइस हेल्दी फैट रो गोटे सीट अछि जोटा कि तमाने चेक आउट करि परिबो कोकोनट ऑयल हैला ऑलिव ऑयल हैला ऑलिव्स हैला या फिर हमारा कोन नट्स हैला ग्राउंड नट्स और any kinds of nut we are having in our daily life. Those are under healthy fats. Then walnut hella, avocados hella, almonds hella. These are the options of the healthy fat. Okay. Then moving to the next question. Tell me which of the following is a good source of complex carbohydrates. Which of the following is a good source of complex carbohydrates? The options are white sugar, white bread, brown rice, or honey. सिंपल कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स पचारि थिले तमे मे बी कहि पारि थांता ब्रेड और नॉर्मल जदी राइस थांता बट जदी क्वेश्चन ने पचारि छि कॉम्प्लेक्स कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स दैट मींस देयर इज समथिंग ट्रिकी तो पूरा इजी पीजी नहीं से अनुसार आंसर दियो व्हाट विल बी द कॉम्प्लेक्स कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स तो गाइस व्हाट चंद्रशेखर ज्योति ज्योतिरंजन आसीबे आंसर भी देबे जदि फुल हैला से आंसर डिलीट भी कर देबे वेरी स्मार्ट हां yeah this is brown rice okay this is the complex carbohydrates so some of the complex carbohydrates examples are given here you can have a look that oats hella brown rice hella sweet potatoes hella white potatoes hella white wheat bread hella okay and the quinoa hella kidney beans hella whole wheat pasta hella and the green peas hella multigrain cereal hella pumpkin hella so these are all the options of what complex carbohydrates okay next question answer दिया what is the primary function of dietary fats तो जो dietary fats हमें नौचे जो dairy products भी नौचे से जो fat हमें intake करूचे बॉडी रे हमर रहुची कैरी करूचे तो सेही थ्रू गाइस कोटा रहिबो गोटे प्राइमरी फंक्शन से हमर हेल्प करे डाइजेशन रे से मसल बिल्ड करिबार हेल्प करे या फिर से हमको स्टोर एनर्जी स्टोर करिबारे हेल्प करे या फिर रेगुलेट हार्ट बीट टेल मी द राइट आंसर इन द कमेंट सेक्शन what is the primary function of dietary fats guys tell me hello class रे अछु yeah so very good कोटा हबो ना primary function होची any kind of dietary fats is provide stored energy it's provide energy store करिबारे हमको help करे किए ना dietary fats all that we are taking in a day to day life so functions of dietary fats have a look provides a concentrated source of energy contributes to the body's energy reserve like that means fat store करिबारे हमको help करे and carries the essential fatty acids that fat soluble vitamins कोटा fat soluble कोटा fat insoluble and कोटा water soluble सब तुमको already मु discuss करिछि so and certain phytochemicals increase the flavor and the palatability of the foods and provide sustained relief from hunger and serves as a component of cell membranes vitamin D or the sex hormone okay next guys देखो next question answer there which of the which of these is not a source of protein tell me which of these is not a source of protein which of these is not a source of protein eggs hela chicken hela banana hela fish hela जिते सब नॉन वेज वाला फूड रही से प्रोटीन भरपूर प्रोटीन पाउचे दैट ऑल वी नो बट ऑडवान आउट कर दियो सो बनाना रहिला कौन तो ऑप्शंस कोटा रहिला ना रेस्ट ऑडवान आउट यस वेरी गुड व्हाट विल बी ना बनाना रहिबो तो गाइस तो हमारा बेटर प्रोटीन हमको कोठु मिलुची ना मोस्टली हमको एनिमल वाला फूड से अच्छी सेथरु मिलुची लाइक lentils eggs lentils को छोड़ दियो ओके द प्लांट फूड बट एग्स pork खेला चिकन बीफ फिश एथरा में कोन ना बहुत सारा प्रोटीन पाउचे ओके बहुत सारा प्रोटीन पाउचे नेक्स्ट देखिबा तो बनाना न्यूट्रिशन बनाना रे को केते कैलोरीज अछि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस इज 89 किलो कैलोरी अछि इन ए सिंगल बनाना ओके एंड तार विटामिन्स को टाइप रा B6 अच्छी C अच्छी B कॉम्प्लेक्स पूरा भरपूर है कि अच्छी एंड दिस इज मैग्नीशियम भी अच्छी कॉपर अच्छी banana is a complete source of what vitamins and minerals okay not for the protein next guys देखो which mineral is necessary for oxygen transport in blood tell me which mineral is necessary for oxygen transport in blood The options are calcium, iron, sodium or zinc. Guys, आमर को मिनरल बॉडी भितर अछि जे कि लीड करूची ऑक्सीजन होल बॉडी रे आमर कोथिरे ना ब्लड सहित मिसी के ट्रांसपोर्ट करिबा टेल मी द राइट आंसर वेरी गुड दिस इज अच्छा ज्योति सी हे गला सोडियम तम ब्लड रे अछि केबे को अछि जन्म रे अछि ना एबे सडन आसी गला क्लास मझिरे हां Yes, Asmita, right. This is iron. This is iron. Okay. So mainly मन रखो हम blood जो सब components अच्छे like platelets है vitamin K जोड़ा कि हमारा कौन blood clotting रे help करूची and guys हमारा कौन है ना main होची iron resource जोड़ा कि हमारा कौन ना oxygen transport करिबारे help करूची blood रे so that हमारा कौन blood flow easily carryable होची okay So, calcium कौन होची तारे work important for bones and teeth involved in synaptic transfer. But where is iron found in red blood cells involved in oxygen transport? Sodium, yes, sodium कथा कहिथिले ताकू भी देखि दियो involved in impulse generation in the nervous system. Okay, and the phosphorus found in nucleic acids and phospholipids. Sulfur found in certain amino acids important for the disulfide bond. Okay, next question answer there guys. Which vitamin is also known as the sunshine vitamin? This is so easy peasy, huh? Who mate? AKM. New student in my class. Welcome to my class, Mr. AKM or Miss AKM. Which vitamin is also known as the sunshine vitamin? Is that vitamin A? Is that vitamin B? Is that vitamin C? Or this is vitamin D? Tell me. Which vitamin is also known as the sunshine vitamin? Yes, all we know this is vitamin D in the form of what? D3. Direct sun ray mein pauchi. See? So, sunshine for health, get your vitamin D in daily basis. ना केमिति बाटा खरा केते जोरे हीट वेव आसीची जानिचो बट मैडम कहिचंती हमर विटामिन डी हमें सनलाइट रु पाइबो दैट मींस हमें 12टा गोटे रे जाई कि खरा रे खिडाई पड़िबो then I am not the one who will be responsible okay early morning कहली total first जो sunlight हमर पड़िबो सन रेज आसीबो ताकू ही एब्जॉर्ब करिवार अछि तो first 5-10 मिनिट early morning रे आसी जाओ okay so which vitamin is responsible for healthy skin and vision Yes, next question answer there. Which vitamin is responsible for healthy skin and vision? The options are vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin K or vitamin B12. Yes, Sasmita. Sasmita पूरा right answer दोचो ना कौन? So, which vitamin is responsible for healthy skin and vision? Kua? तमे माने स्किन को आगे पढ़ी दे कि विटामिन सी कहि दोछ अच्छा जते सब साइट्रस फ्रूट आमे जानचु मैम से हम स्किन टाइ बहुत ही भलो बट यदि पचारिछि बोथ स्किन एंड विजन टाइम so obviously we will go with the option vitamin A okay not vitamin C jodi only pachala skin time if there is the option vitamin C then you can go through that but jodi pacharichi skin and vision then must choose vitamin A as a right answer okay sorry A right answer mu choose kala pore bhi tankar asuchi vitamin C okay cool function of vitamin A kon achi guys this is vision and eye health fine dekho main function achi first the vitamin A is essential for maintain healthy vision okay maintain healthy vision immune function and cell growth it also plays a crucial role in skin health and the proper function of various organs some of the key functions of vitamins A are vision and eye health that is rhodopsin formation corneal maintenance that means in the eye inside the eye and the phototransduction jota ki amara vision ko hi strong karaye and the immune function hela cell growth hela and reproductive health hela and the bone and skin health pai ke responsible na the vitamin A okay next question answer diyo which mineral is required for nerve function and muscle contraction which mineral is required for nerve function and muscle contraction so muscle la jo growth हुए either এটা sink हुए or सेटा swollen up हुए so जो contraction टा हुए हमारा growth भी बढ़े सेटा due to the which mineral present in our body कोथि ପାଇଁ हुए it is potassium iron iodine or fluoride tell me the right answer which mineral is required for nerve function and muscle contraction tell me right answer in the comment section yes so what will be this is potassium so always mane rakho amara nerve function hela ya fir muscle contraction hela the mineral potassium is always responsible for that okay so mineral sodium ro kon kama guys rahuchi na needed for proper fluid balance karibo nerve transmission karibo and muscle contraction bhi karibo but etale samely pacharichi kothi pai na amara nerve transmission and muscle contraction dita jaga jodi pacharibo taku kon potassium daba as a right answer chloride kon karuchi na needed for proper fluid balance and stomach acid formation kariya pai help karuchi ke na chloride and potassium needed for proper fluid balance as well as nerve transmission and muscle contraction mane rahibo very good next chalo which vitamin is water soluble ebe hi jo kahithili fat soluble there are two vitamins that are fat soluble and are water soluble so here is the question which vitamin is water soluble and needs to be consumed daily jota ki water soluble and हमको daily consume करिबा निहाती दरकार that is so much essential for our body the options are vitamin A vitamin D vitamin B complex or vitamin E tell me the right answer guys yes so vitamin B complex is what this is the water soluble vitamin jota ki हमको daily basis रे consume करिबा दरकार for a better health okay that fat soluble AEDA okay so benefits of vitamin B complex is what this is neurological developments and brain functions sex and stress related hormones production ke karuchi vitamin B complex and healthy immune system function healthy skin hair nails and the eyes this is also related to vitamin B complex so day to day life रे हमको vitamin B complex rich food intake करिबा निहाती दर okay next guys so guys our Prarambh batch just start ho jaichi those are interested to join for the Prarambh and Pratham they can join okay batch already start hi sarlani guys next question dekho which food group provides the highest amount of dietary fiber tell me which food group provides the highest amount of dietary fiber dairy or meat or whole grains or processed food? किए दबो dietary fiber, that means obviously organ out तमे कर दबो meat को, and processed food हमको किछि भी कोन provide करेनी कोनोसी भी fiber एला minerals एला. Processed food is a bad choice for our eating date. Okay, cool. So rest options is yes, Jyotiranjan. So the right option will be whole grains. So आमको कौन ना गोटे proper and highest amount रो dietary fiber हमें कोथरू पाउचे ना whole grains रो पाउचे. See, so boost your fiber intake like lentils नबो, whole wheat pasta नहीं परिबो, pears or the artichoke hearts and the chickpeas and the raspberries, kidney beans. These are the source of कौन हमारा dietary fiber. Okay. Next, which of the following is considered a leafy vegetable? Which of the following is considered as a leafy vegetable? Options are tomato, carrot, peanut, or brinjal. What will be the right answer is? Which of the following is considered a leafy vegetable? Tomato, carrots, peanut, or brinjal? Obviously, this is so many easier. कौन हबा ना spinach हबा. Okay, so leaves रू ही आमे leafy vegetable out आई आमे एगुडा को consider ही करिबा. So leafy vegetables, there are some chart, you can have a look. Next, chalo, which food is the best source of vitamin B12? Tell me which food is the best source of vitamin B12. So B complex रा vitamin केतेटा अछि? B हमरो 6 7 एमती करिके तुमको ऑलरेडी कहि सारिछि. तो B रो B12 रो विटामिन कोटा अधिक रहिबो? X रहिला, एप्पल रहिला, आलमंड्स रहिला और कोकोनट रहिला. Tell me B12 rich food कोटा रहिबो? The options are eggs, apple, almonds or coconut. No, Chandrasekhar. एमिति भी ढाबा बाड़ा है. कौन हबा? This is eggs are the best source of vitamin B12. Best source of vitamin B12. See, so B12 रे कौन रहउची हमरो best source? Like prawn तो रहिबो जेते सब fish like non-veg food, but best source हमरो कौन रहिबो ना eggs रहिबो. Okay. Next, guys, see, which dairy product is rich in probiotics? Tell me, which dairy product is rich in probiotics? Butter hela, cheese hela, yogurt hela, ice cream hela. Guys, probiotics means bacterial formation jaldi he jibo sekre. So butter, cheese and ice cream. Odd one out kara. Ma'am, vitamin B12 ta cobalt achi. Options achi ki tam pakhre? Is there any option of cobalt? Then tell me, which dairy product is rich in probiotics? Yes, so what will be the right answer? This is option C. Okay, butter, cheese and ice cream will be the odd one out, and prebiotics and probiotics foods are something there. You can have a look like onion hela, soybean hela, and the asparagus hela, banana hela, leek hela, bread hela. So this is our prebiotics. Okay, but probiotics guys कोड़ा रहिबो ना agreed cheese hela. Okay, like exit cheese माने बहुत time जो cheese ता रही जायछि, fresh cheese नहीं. And guys कोना chocolate hela, kefir hela, sour cream hela, and the hizo seeds, pickles, probiotic milk and the yogurt as the options of probiotics, and options are the prebiotics. Okay, next देखो guys, which of these is a plant-based source of omega-3 fatty acid? Omega-3 fatty acid direct कहले आपण मानक माइंड आस्तुवा मैम फिश, बट एति पचारिछि plant-based. So carefully answer दियो. Flax seeds, chicken, yogurt, sorry, egg yolk or cheese. So obviously plant पचारिछि माने हमें chicken आउ egg yolk को कोन organ based कोडा रहिला. flaxseeds. So best amara best source animal le कोटा ना fish को नहीं परिबो, whereas plant रे का को नहीं परिबो. For the best source of omega-3 fatty acids, this is flaxseeds. Okay, this is flaxseeds. And I will suggest to you all to have a one spoon of flaxseeds in your day to life. Okay. लेखो omega-3 fatty acids based food source कौन होची ना first the fish रहिबो, then ground flax seeds रहिबो, then the walnuts and the edamame. Okay, next चलो, which method is commonly used to preserve food by freezing it at low temperature? So food को हमें जितेबले preserve करूचे गोटे low temperature रे and for time period, certain time period or for 1 to 2 days, the method taku कौन कहसे, freezing taku कौन कहसे? Is that canning, is that dyeing, is that pickling or refrigeration? Guys, tell me the right answer. Yes. तो कौन हबो ना रेफ्रिजरेशन ही हबो. गाइस पिकलिंग होची कोन हमें जोको आचार पय जोटा सढे की रखुचे विनेगर देकी केमिकल्स देकी. कैनिंग गोटे केन भीतर स्टोर करके रखुचे. ड्राइंग ऑब्वियसली हमें सन ड्राई करूचे या फिर हमें हमरो थाए ना से ड्राइंग मशीन कौन कोन दिता यार. एनीवे स्किप हो जाची माइंड रो. तो एबे रहइबो कोन ना रेफ्रिजरेशन इज the method by freezing it at low temperature. Next, so compressor chemical amara refrigerate way, this is the whole method. First compressor, the hot gas provide karuchi, then condenser that amara kona hot liquid, then taku expansion valve re change heiki, change hochi kothire na cold refrigerant re, then evaporator start hochi. Okay, so this is the whole method. Next, see guys, which preservative is commonly used in pickles? Salt, sugar, vinegar or oil? एबे just ही हम तमानू को आंसर कर सारलेनी. जदि attentively class सुनुथुवा then without any second thought तमाने reply देई परिबो. कोर ऑप्शन देइछो तमाने सी नु जानि पानी. प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन रो ऑप्शन कोन थिला? सी थिला. तो यही ऑप्शन नो दियो आंसर दियो. Which preservatives is commonly used in pickles? देखिबा आउ सब कोन आंसर दोचंदी because this is tricky questions. Yes, so actually guys को preservative हबा देखो preservative जितेबले word यूज करछि, this is a chemical wording यूज होछि हमर कोन chemical components मान को पई. तो preservative जितेबले यूज हे जाइछि कोन यूज करबा ना vinegar as a right answer. Okay, vinegar as a right answer. Okay, so sodium benzoate जोटा कि in the form of powder form रे हम कोन ना यूज करूछि भी काहू ना पिकल्स हैला या फिर जाम हैला ए सब को रिस्टोर करिवा पई, प्रिजर्व करिवा पई for a long duration. Okay, next see guys, tell me, pasteurization is a process used to preserve which food item? तो कोथिरे हमें pasteurization process ता यूज करूचे को फूड को प्रिजर्व करिवा पई? Is that for meat, is that for fruits or it is for milk or grains? Tell me. What will be the right answer guys? Just tell me. Very good. This is pasteurization is directly related with the milk. So product that can be pasteurized कौन कौन रहिबो फूड्स रे बटर हबो चीज हबो क्रीम चीज हबो सोर्स क्रीम हबो योगर्ट आइसक्रीम नट्स and the saffron and the eggs and the lobster meat hela crab meat hela but in the case of liquid this is milk honey vinegar fruit juice cider or the lemon juice जोटा को हमें pasteurized process रे ताको कोन स्टॉक करि परिबा स्टोर करि परिबा ओके very good next चलो which type of food is known to contain artificial preservatives artificial preservatives को food रे हमारा contain रहुची tell me this is fresh fruits कहूची माने automatically हमारा कौन जिनटा fresh अछि सेते हमारा artificial preservatives add करिवार there is no requirement so processed food that can be the option but green vegetables this is green and fresh also and home cooked this is home cooked meals okay home cooked meals से कौन होगा so what will be the right answer tell me which type of food is known to contain artificial preservatives yes this is processed food so artificial preservatives काहे के हमको ऐड करा जाए ना processed food रे जो हम food टाको process करूचे बहुत सारा कोन मसला मसली देई की यूज करछे तो किछि टाइम रहिला परे नॉर्मल जति हम रखुचे घरे विदाउट रेफ्रिजरेशन रे ताहाले किछि टाइम परे से खराब हे जाउची बासी हे जाउची दे स्मेल स्टार्ट हे जाउची सो ताको अवॉइड करिया पई एंड दूर तक जते बेले हमको किछि फूड प्रोसेस फूड को सेंड करिवार अछि इन दैट केस प्रिजर्वेटिव्स ऐड होछि ओके नॉर्मली हमें घरे तो ऐड करके रखने ना so list of natural preservatives of food is what the vinegar paprika the turmeric and the balsamic vinegar the dill seeds cinnamon cider vinegar all the black pepper berries the citric acid cumin seeds mustard seeds or the black peppercorns are the options of natural preservatives added for food okay yes packaged food next guys देखो what is the purpose of food irradiation tell me what is the purpose of food irradiation is that cooking food faster is that killing bacteria and insects is that enhancing taste or reducing fat content tell me what will be the right answer what is the purpose of food irradiation Cool. Could I have a right answer? Number 40 the answer दिया. What is the purpose of food irradiation? So food irradiation is the method of killing bacteria and insect. What? Like killing bacteria and insect. Okay guys? B will be the right answer. So wonder about it. Okay. So food irradiation uses how? Reduce insect infestation, grains, spices, fruits and vegetables spray kara jay and inhibit sproutings like tubers and bulbs and retard ripening foods को जल्दी ripening करिवा लगी हमें use करूचे and inactive parasites that meats and fish and eliminate spoils microbes that is fruits hela या फिर veggies hela okay next चलो tell me the right answer of the question which vitamin helps in the absorption of calcium tell me calcium absorption रे कौन vitamin use हुए बहुत vitamin A vitamin C vitamin D or vitamin K C is not for the calcium okay do not go through the answer B no Chandrasekhar अच्छा previously answer दोचो then it's okay 41 नो question answer दियो 41 question answer दियो ना vitamin K is not for the absorption of calcium this is helping blood clotting right D not D कौन C for calcium मना कली बोली K for calcium कर देबो ना कौन yes vitamin D So the right answer will be vitamin D, who helps in calcium absorption. Okay. See. So metabolism of vitamin D, केମିତି से absorb करूची whole calcium को in the different parts of our body. Okay. Next question answer दियो. Which food item is best for a quick source of energy? Tell me which food item is best for a quick source of energy? Sugar, lentils, chicken or spinach? ओके सो गाइस मैम आपन टेलीग्राम चैनल पाउनी टेलीग्राम चैनल ओके मु तुमको कहूँ ठीक अच्छे एबे बस क्लास ऊपर टिके कंसंट्रेट करो विल से दैट यू लैपटॉप so guys what will be the right answer this is sugar so which food item is best for a quick source of energy this is sugar but that is also not good for our health okay energy कहिची तो sugar यदि विटामिन जो फाइबर कहिता then we will choose the lentils okay next चलो sugar the class कौन होची monosaccharides disaccharides and the polysaccharides monosaccharides रे को टाइप रे sugar हमें this is galactose glucose or fructose and disaccharides रे sucrose maltose and polysaccharides रे starch हला and glycogen starch हला and glycogen okay so next चलो which disease is caused by excessive fat intake which disease is caused by excessive fat intake this is obesity scurvy or beriberi or rickets को disease को which disease is caused by excessive fat intake अधिक fat intake कले then हमें को disease को face करी परिबा that is yes कौन हबो ना this is obesity so avoid बाहर जते जंक फूड खाउछ आ सब स्नैक्स खाउछ कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स पिउछ ताकू जते पारुछ अवॉइड कर कहबे कि मैम फर्स्ट आपण अवॉइड करंतु देन कहिबे मु गाइस बहुत ही अवॉइड करिक रहछ ओके so tell me so reasons of obesity is what no activity and the endocrine diseases may and the hereditary predisposition and the unhealthy food is the main cause guys कहूची जोटा hereditary अछि and जोटा endocrine system पे अछि that's the different thing जोटा हम हाथ रे अछि हमें ताको अवॉइड करि परिबा so next which of the following foods can help lower cholesterol levels which of the following foods can help lower cholesterol level is that red meat is that oats is that butter or cheese tell me Which of the following foods can help lower cholesterol levels? Red meat, oats, butter or cheese? Yes, that is what? Na oats. That is oats. Which of the following food can help lower cholesterol level? That is oats. Okay. So daily morning रे उठी की breakfast रे oats खाइबा start करो instead of the junk food Maggi pizza burger तो morning रे खाओ ना but Maggi तो must खाओ जो Maggi pasta ताको avoid करो. So take oats और मुसली लियो मिल्क रे टिके जहाँ acidity अच्छे avoid करो milk को else टिके मुसली खाओ that's also very much benefit for our health. So vegetables oils रे तमाने try करो olive oil को use करिबा पाई and for the low fat dairy and nuts and oily fish and the dairy alternatives सेगुडा भी use करो. बहुत ही सॉर्टेड हबो जदि तमाने olive oil गोटे bottle नबो maximum से 300 something पडुची bottle टा but सेटा रे तमे कोन टिके बॉइल करिदेले वेजिटेबल्स को देन बस ताको सट्टे करिदबो और अब टिके स्प्रे कर दबो दैट्स इट आउ किछि भी नै ओके गिव मी टाइम देखो तमान को तो गाइस एटा गोटे एतिक ही बड़ा स्प्रे बॉटल आसुची एटलीस्ट तमरो 2 मंथ्स पर एटा यूज हो बस वेजिटेबल्स को बॉइल करिवो देन स्प्रे करिवो टिके जदी दरकार एंड पिंक सॉल्ट टिके ही ऐड करिवो बस दिस इज सो मच हेल्दी फॉर यू एक्चुअली स्टूडेंट्स माने जानि पारंतिनी स्ट्रेस रे आसिकी या फिर हमको टिके भलो चटपटा खाइबा दरकार बाहर खाइबा खाइ दियंती इंक्लूडिंग मो भी मो प्रिपरेशन टाइम रे सेमिति करूथिली बट दिस इज वेरी वेरी बैड चॉइस फॉर आवर हेल्थ तो जेते पारुछ अवॉइड करा ओके एंड तो मैंने भाबुथु कि मैम ऑलिव ऑयल तो बहुत कॉस्टली आसी जो गाइस तमे जो तेल भरी भरी की खाउछ रिफाइंड ऑयल हैला मस्टर्ड ऑयल हैला जोटा कि मास को तमरा 2-3टा पैकेट त एमिति रे सरी जाउथो बट कोन हैला जदी गोटे बॉटल आनले तमरा 2 मास 3 मास गला तो कॉस्ट तो ताठू ही कम आसीबो ओके नेक्स्ट देखो which of the following is considered a junk food which of the following is considered a junk food? Is that apple? Is that French fries? Is that spinach or dal? Cool. Mustard oil is good for health. अधिक mustard oil जदि तुम मैंने यूज करिवो तमरो यूरिक एसिड धीरे धीरे बॉडी रु कमी जिवो सॉरी बढ़ी जिवो ओके यूरिक एसिड रा लेवल जेते बेले बढ़ी जिवो तम बॉडी रे तमरो जॉइंट पेन स्टार्ट हे जिवो डॉक्टर को भी पचारिवो mustard oil is also not good for health. गोटे लिमिट जाए एवरीथिंग इज गुड फॉर हेल्थ बट जब एक्सेसिव हो जाए ना टू मच एनीथिंग इज बैड so the right answer will be what na french fries junk food is a food that is high in calories fat salt and sugar but low in nutrients like fiber vitamins and minerals eating too much junk food can lead to health complications like obesity heart disease and the cancer also next chalo which food is a natural source of vitamin E? Tell me, which food is a natural source of vitamin E? Is that carrots, almonds, fish or chicken? Vitamin E ର natural source कोउटा हबो? Tell me. Question को आसा question को. Which food is a natural source of vitamin E? Tell me the right answer in the comment section. Carrots, almonds, or fish or chicken. So what will be the right answer? This is almonds is the best source of vitamin E. Best and the natural source of vitamin E. Next देखो. Guys, best vitamin E ର କିଛି ଅଛି ତମ ପାଖରେ examples ଯେମିତି କି olive ନେଇ ପାରିବ almond papaya ହେଲା and the hazelnut ହେଲା and the trot ହେଲା kind of fish and sorry chhadi deli ki okay the parsley hela, the sesame seeds hela, and the shrimps hela, the prawns, okay, and the mangoes hela, the Swiss chard hela. So these are the options, these are the best natural source of vitamin E, okay कहि परिबा. Next चलो, what is the primary source of vitamin K? vitamin E gala, C gala, then ebe kuha vitamin K ro कोटा. Yes, tell me, what is the primary source of vitamin K? That milk, green leafy vegetables, meat hela, rice hela. Right answer 47 number दिया, primary source of vitamin K. And vitamin K is also helps in blood clotting. Okay, helps in blood clotting. That is green leafy vegetables. Next देखो, तो cucumber हेला, green lemon हेला, kiwi हेला, broccoli हेला, avocado हेला, and green apple हेला, cabbage हेला, grapes हेला, जेते सब green vegetables देखो जो ना, they are the highly rich in vitamin K. Okay, okay guys. Next देखो, which carbohydrate is stored in the liver and muscle for energy? Which carbohydrate कोठी ना हमारा liver and muscle में stored है कि रुहे for the energy formation in our body. कोटा रुहे, glucose रुहे, starch रुहे, cellulose रुहे या फिर glycogen रुहे. Tell me the right answer guys in the comment section. Which carbohydrates is stored in the liver and muscle for energy? Yes, this is glycogen. This is glycogen. Okay. So our liver and muscle le jodi ko carbohydrates pachare store heiki ruhe for energy formation in our body, then this is glycogen. So see glycogen kemti ruhe, glycogen then glucose 6p form re, then glucose form re कोथिरे ना हमारे liver रे रुहे for the हमें कौन ताको जानते हैं as a blood glucose level. होचे ना blood glucose level test करा होची तो कौन test करा the glycogen level test करा होची. Okay. Yes. Odisha culture. What सब आउ गोटे पिला थिला ना ओडिशा आर्ट एंड कल्चर, एबे आ गोटे पिला ओडिशा कल्चर बाय जीत भाई की जीत भाई आउथरे क्लास को आस्थिले ना. So which of these food components helps in wound healing? Which of these food components helps in wound healing? The options are carbohydrates, proteins, fats or water. Which of these food components helps in wound healing? The options are carbohydrates, proteins, fats or water. वाटर wound healing रे हेल्प कलानी. अच्छा ज्योतिरंजन कहीं जान नथिली. Yes Chandrasekhar, you are right. कौन हवा ना, this is proteins helps in wound healing. Okay. Okay, protein कोठी को food रा में this मिलुचे like eggs हेला, beans हेला, tofu हेला, meat हेला, dark leafy greens vegetables and the soya nuts हेला, soya chunks हेला and soya chaps also, the Greek yogurt and the cheese and milk from the best source of. Next चलो, which of these is not a source of dietary fiber? Tell me, which of these is not a source of dietary fiber? The options are brown rice, potato chips, oats and the apple. Brown rice hela, potato chips hela, oats hela and apple hela. What will be the right answer guys? not a base source, so oats hela, base source apple hela, base source brown rice hela, healthy source, that means the dietary fiber are rich in that, but kouta habani, so potato chips. Okay, so all the deep fried things are avoidable. So soluble fiber, insoluble fiber is that the pectin, the B-glucans and the hydrocolloids, the gums, that is ଆମର best soluble fiber जोटा कि कोउथरु मिलुची ना ओट्स रु, बार्ली रु, नट्स रु, सीड्स रु, बीन्स रु, लेंटिल्स रु, फूड्स रु, एंड गाइस जोरा insoluble, that is whole wheat hela, whole grain hela, vegetables hela, broccoli hela, wheat grain hela, and the nuts and the seeds are the insoluble fiber, insoluble dietary fiber. Okay, next देखो guys. So which food is best for a person with anemia? Which food is best for a person with anemia? The options are white bread, peanut, butter or ice cream. Which food is best source for, which food is best for a person with having disease anemia? White bread, peanut or butter or ice cream? So which one will be the right answer? This is guys peanut. So having a disease with anemia, if they will intake the spinach in day-to-day life, in daily basis for their feeding habit, then they can overcome with that disease. Okay. So home remedies for the anemia is the fenugreek seeds and the pomegranate also, bottle gourd seeds hela. Bottle gourd seeds guys sabu bele healthy thae for all the like amara health problems. So once तमें से लक्की रो भी आनी की, so लक्की रो जूस करके पियो, that is very very best for health. Next चलो, which mineral is responsible for fluid balance in the body? एबे कही थिली आमर कही थिले ना कैल्शियम बदल रे आ गुड ऑप्शन देथिले मिस्टर ज्योतिरंजन कुआ. अच्छा ज्योतिरंजन तम टाइटल एक्चुअली पाठी ना पाढ़ी? ज्योतिरंजन पाठी. So the right answer will be what? This is sodium. Sodium is the best mineral that is responsible for fluid balance in the body. Responsible for fluid balance in the body. Next chalo guys dekho. So sodium, potassium and chloride are the primary minerals that play a crucial role in maintaining fluid balance in the body, acting as electrolytes to regulate water distribution and pressure between cells and their surrounding surface. Okay. Padhi modified to Pathi by my grandpa. Padhi, that means Brahman. Okay. So, which food is a good source of plant-based calcium? Tell me. Which food is a good source of plant-based calcium? That is milk or cheese or broccoli or eggs. Milk hela, cheese hela. These are eggs bhi hela. These are animal-based food. But rest options, broccoli is the plant-based food that is having a good source of the calcium. Okay, good source of calcium. So plant-based calcium sources are something there. Tofu hela, soybean hela. The chart also, please have a look. Okay. Next, देखो guys, which vitamin is easily destroyed by heat? Tell me, which vitamin is easily destroyed by heat? Heat द्वारा easily destroy हे परिबो. Vitamin D तो हमें कोथरु heat रू ही पाउछ. That means sunlight रू ही पाउछ. So easily ना destroy होगी. For sure. So vitamin A, guys, for the vision ପାଇଁ हमें देखुचे better. So vitamin K is for blood clotting. So these are not. So vitamin C जो हमर रहउची जेते सब citrus fruit रो हमें पाउचे. These are guys easily destroy हे परिबो in contact with the heat. जय हिंद साई प्रसाद. क्लास रो एंड राशि के एते बड़ जय हिंद करिवार किछि स्पेसिफिक रीजन अछि? ओके, विटामिन सी. So vitamin C is water soluble vitamin and easily destroyed by heat, alkali and storage. Not only heat by the alkali and it can be easily storage भी हे परिबो. In the process of cooking, 70% of vitamin C is lost. Okay, so the vitamin is easily oxidized to form dehydroascorbic acid, that is DHAA. This is important one, mane rakhitha. Which vitamin is easily oxidized to form dehydroascorbic acid? Dehydroascorbic acid, that is what? Vitamin C. Okay, vitamin C. Next, chalo. Tell me which of these is not a source of plant protein? Which of these is not a source of plant protein? Soybean sela, lentil sela, fish sela, chickpeas sela. What? Which of these is not a source of plant protein? Plant ro amara kon guys? Soybean to mili jauchi, lentils mili jauchi, chickpeas bhi mili jauchi. So odd one out. Odd one out. Okay. Next, chalo. What is the primary function of water in our body? Tell me, what is the primary function of water in our body? It provides energy, it helps in digestion and regulates the temperature, or it builds muscle or increase cholesterol. So cholesterol सहित या फिर हमारे एनर्जी लेवल सहित किछि एनर्जी कोठ हमको बेस्ट में ना फैट्स रू. ओके, सो हमारा मसल सहित कि रिलेटेड थिला? मसल सहित एबे कहिथिली त मानकू which vitamin is directly related. But according to the question, what is the primary function of water in our body? So water रे कोन आमे कहछ ना जदि तोर indigestion हो जाई छि then please तो टिके fluid अधिक नै तो टिके अधिक पानी पी automatic digestion process तोर normal हे जिवो, back to normal हबो. So this is helps in digestion and regulates the body temperature. Okay guys, next here. So functions of water in our body, this is brain consists of 90% of water, blood contains 83% of water, muscle contains 73% of water, moisturizes the air in lungs, helps with metabolism, bones contains 22% of water, and water protects and moisturizes the joints. Okay, next chalo. Which of the following foods contains natural sugar? Guys, tell me which of the following foods contain natural sugar? The options are ice cream, soft drink, fried snacks. Odd one out. Natural sugar कोथिरु? Fruits रू ही पाउचे. So natural sugar versus added sugar. Natural sugar is con guys those sugar found naturally occurring in food such as fruits, vegetables, plain dairy, nuts, seeds and grain. This does not count towards daily sugar intake and consumption does not need to be reduced as these foods provide many nutrients. They are called as natural sugar. For the examples, you can have a look of the fresh vegetables, the groundnuts and the lentils also. So next is added sugar kothre guys. These get added to food and drink during manufacturing. So during manufacturing amara extra sugar add kara jauchi better taste fine, better color fine sometimes. So caramel heiki paduchi. So yeita kona na amara added sugar. So avoid the added sugar and have the natural sugar in your daily diets. Next question dekho guys, which food components provides insulation to the body? Four food component our body को insulation provide करे. Is that carbohydrates? Is that proteins? Is that fats or vitamins? Yes. So please this is fats. Please direct ଆମର କଣ provides insulation करे and guys direct energy भी हमें instant energy कोउथरो ना fats ରୁ पाउची. So facts about the fat is what? Energy store ହେଇକି ରୁहे कोउथरे fat रे. Immune function कहा ପାଇଁ हुए fat ପାଇଁ. Healthy skin हमारा कोउथि ପାଇଁ पाए fat रे. तो बहुत ही हमारा कଣ like बी टाउन ने चर्चा रे चली छि इवन YouTube रे भी खोलिले समस्त मॉर्निंग रे उठी की गोटे चम्मच घी को वार्म वाटर रे कंज्यूम करूछंती या फिर ब्लैक कॉफी रे इवन ग्रीन गोटे सॉरी घी गोटे चम्मच ऐड करके ताकू पिउछंती फॉर द बेटर एंड ग्लोइंग स्किन एंड पुनी ऑयल पुलिंग भी करूछंती लाइक पूरा दीटा स्पून घी लेके पाटी रे से सब भी चली छि. सो बेटर सोर्स होची कोन ना हेल्दी स्किन पई घी. ओके, सो ब्रेन डेवलपमेंट पई होला या फिर न्यूट्रिएंट एब्जॉर्प्शन पई होला थर्मल इन्सुलेशन पाई हैला हार्मोन प्रोडक्शन पाई कोन ना हमर फैट्स बहुत ही एसेंशियल ओके नेक्स्ट चलो which of the following is a fermented food tell me which of the following is a fermented food the options are rice curd honey or banana which of the following is a fermented food rice hela curd hela honey hela or banana tell me ferment heisi that means bacterial fermentation करके ताकू करिसंदी rice ର original and जदि आमे कहबा कोन पखाला भात 2-3 दिन गला पर जो हांडिया रे कन्वर्ट हुए सेटा हे परिबो ना बेटर सोर्स ऑफ fermented okay but एठी according to the option normal rice कथा कहछि so we will not go to the option rice but what will be the right answer this is curd okay this is curd next चलो so guys glucose hela like fermentation केमिति होउची from the glucose रो pyruvic acid then ताको lactic acid रे convert होउची जोटा कि कोन anaerobic bacteria यूज करिकि होउची lactic acid रे yeast यूज हेकि कोन होउची ना alcohol formation रे ओके जोटा कि कहली कोन राइस को हांडिया रे कन्वर्ट करा जाउची using the yeast okay then the aspergillus and the lactobacillus bacteria यूज होसंदी कोथरे ना lactic acid formation okay so तापर हमर स्टार्ट होउची lactic acid and the cheese hela yogurt hela सेडा भी हमर फॉर्मेट होउची after the adding of lactic acid inside that next guys देखो so which of these is the best source of dietary antioxidants tell me which of these is the best source of dietary antioxidants चंद्रशेखर तमे क्लास रे अछो जदि क्लास रे अछो मो टेलीग्राम चैनल एक्चुअली बेटी के प्रॉब्लम अछि आसुनी डायरेक्ट तमे तम नंबर सेठी जदि इफ देयर लाइक इफ यू डोंट हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम ताल में नंबर मेंशन करि दियो मु तुमको टेलीग्राम चैनल रे ऐड कर दे ओके so which of these is the best source of dietary antioxidants this is processed meat or green tea or butter or white bread but the best source of antioxidant is always what guys this is green tea is always what na green tea and processed meat butter and white bread are not a source of antioxidant so antioxidants and the major dietary sources kon achi this is a list of that you can have a look in the free time okay so this is all about today's session thank you so much guys and कोठी किछि प्रॉब्लम थिले कमेंट सेक्शन में इन्फॉर्म करिवो नेक्स्ट क्लास से ताको रेक्टिफाई करी कि क्लास आनिबा को ट्राई करी एंड गाइस stay healthy stay inside your home do not go outside because heat wave as jaichi take care of yourself and your parents thank you so much thank you guys thank you so